Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by defining the problem and visual scope. Decide classification versus regression, choose input size, and plan 3 hidden layers. Once done, sketch a simple column layout. Left input, center hidden, right output. Make sure to mark neuron counts and reserve space for arrows and annotations. You should also pick consistent symbols for nodes and biases, so your first actionable sketch already communicates architecture and scale. This avoids rework later. Now draw each layer clearly. You place circular nodes in evenly spaced columns and label them. Once positioned, connect every neuron to the next layer using straight lines or subtle curves, and annotate representative weights like W1, W2 where needed. Make sure to include biases as small nodes or plus signs, and add activation shorthand. ReLU, sigmoid, near each hidden layer so viewers grasp function choices. This middle stage builds the detailed execution and visual logic of your network. Finish by adding directional arrows for forward pass and a separate arrow for loss backpropagation. Label input features and outputs clearly. Once done, style with color or line weights to emphasize important paths and export at 300 dpi for clarity. Make sure to include a brief legend. If things go wrong, misalignment, missing labels, or confusing arrows, reopen the sketch, realign columns, and add or simplify labels so the diagram immediately communicates the intended architecture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.